Start.
So hello guys, this is the important part of the lathe machine which is called as tailstock. Generally the tailstock is used for connecting the rotating workpieces like shaft, rod in the dead center. So as you can see here, this is a dead center where you can fix the workpiece by using this lever. Okay, inside this there is a shaft, or you can say small rotating shaft, which is called as spindle. Now this is the hand wheel, okay, which is used for moving the tailstock from one place to another place. This is another lever which is used for locking and unlocking of the tailstock. Now first of all we are going to start assembly of this tailstock. So it is very simple. You just have to move this part so that you can remove this screw, which is the important part of the tailstock. Now this screw consists of different types of threads having single stud or double stud threads. If the thread is of single stud, then lead will be equal to the pitch, and if it is a double stud, then lead equal to 2 into pitch. Okay, you know the pitch is the distance between one thread to corresponding next thread. Okay, so this is a screw of the tailstock. Now the second important part of the tailstock is the spindle. Okay, so you can see this is the spindle or small rotating shaft. This is the keyway for the key. Okay, this is the key which is used in the tailstock. Okay, so you can also remove these bolts to do the disassembly of the tailstock, but it is not necessary to do this. Okay, so you can see here, this is a screw, this is a lever for locking and unlocking of the tailstock, this is a lever for fixing the workpiece in the tailstock, and this is a small rotating shaft which is called as spindle. So in this way you can do the disassembly of the tailstock. Now we are going to assemble this tailstock. First of all, fix this spindle into the tailstock. The next part is fix this screw. To fix this screw, rotate this in the anti-clockwise direction. For disassemble, we have rotated this in clockwise direction, but for assemble purpose, rotate this wheel in anti-clockwise direction, and simply you can disassemble or assemble this tailstock by rotating the wheel. So as you can see here, we have completed the assembly of the tailstock. Thank you.